clean energy technologies, clean electricity, or CO2 capture technologies. There are technologies available. There's plenty of that. You have seen in journal publications. Plenty of them. Some of them, of course, at the lab level, cannot be scaled up to the industry level. Whether it is these are the industry like cement industry, steel making. These are all guzzling. They are all putting a lot of carbon dioxide.
And state budget, the finance minister is giving special concessions and support to lithium-ion industry. It is really, I feel that it is very useful for all of us. Regarding the battery chemistry, lot of changes are going on. So I am very much happy that today the innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill and successful practices, we name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth in the future. And the other important thing is conversion of waste into wealth. No person is waste, no material is waste. With the appropriate technology, with the appropriate vision of the leadership, that you can convert waste into wealth. And particularly
determination and thoughtfulness of India's beautiful citizens, in conjunction with the natural resources afforded to this great country, give me so much hope. I'm lucky enough to have been here for this whole week. We're developing innovative technologies and building partnerships with our industry friends, with our governments and other academic institutions necessary to get these technologies deployed. To Director Krishna's words, we're all personally responsible for minimizing our carbon footprint and being thoughtful about how we can contribute both positively and negatively to the carbon budget. And for me, I traveled all the way here from San Francisco, and if you calculate how much carbon that emitted, it's about half the average annual person's carbon emissions. It's about 2 tons of carbon.
By IIT Mumbai, the lead PI is Dr. Pratibha Sharma, and the technology developed under this program was transferred to NTPC. So this is the metal hydride based hydrogen storage system integrated with a PEM fuel cell, and which is retrofitted on a 2-wheeler for a 60-kilometer test drive. And this is the joint project recommended with BPCL and Godrej for commercialization. And the technology has transferred to Center for High Technology Cell for Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas.